Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file from kilobytes to megabytes. Don't worry, it's quick and simple and I'll guide you step by step. You can see here I have a PDF that's currently in KB size. To increase it, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Pi7PDF increase size. Now press enter. From the results, click on the first website link that appears. Once you're on the website, look for the upload option. Click on it and select your PDF file. After uploading, you'll see a field where you can enter the target size. For this example, let's set it to 10,000 kilobytes, which equals 10 megabytes. Now, click on the button that says Increase PDF Size. The website will start processing your file. This might take a little time depending on your internet speed and the size of your original PDF, so just wait for it to complete. After the process is done, you'll see that the file size has been changed. In this case, the output is about 9.76 megabytes, which is almost 10 megabytes as we requested. Now simply tap on the download button. Head over to your downloads folder and there you'll find your new PDF. You've successfully converted a PDF from KB to MB using a simple online tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides.